out sleeping arrangements and fire watch tonight.
We can either take shifts and deal with this, or get it flaming hot, doze out for a little bit, and then we'll just build it up again.
Worried about the looming bear threat, Nick is dead set on keeping the fire aflame. But after nearly 72 hours without any sleep, he's beginning to break.
Right now, it seems like your attitude is, fire goes out, whatever. Literally out here, the elements will kill you. There is no place for complacency and laxness. If it goes out,
We'll just build
because
it.
you're supposed to be watching it,
We'll just build it up
and
again.
I'm asleep, I'll be pissed.
I got first watch on the fire here while Nick is trying to get some shut-eye.
James. Hey, man, fire's dead, dude. We need to go get firewood.
Dude, chill out. Chill out.
Come on.
Shit, man.
Dude, come on.
I said in a minute.
Come on, dude. Seriously.
Stop pulling on this.
We can do the tug-of-war deal, or you can just get up and... Seriously, man, wake the hell up. Let's go.
Yo.
Come on. I'm done playing.
Ain't nobody playing. Don't yoke on this like that no more.
Damn it, Jameson. Come on, man.
Shit, man.
Come on.
Stop pulling on this.
Come on, man. We're stuck together. We have to do together.
Yeah,
so
we
come
do.
on. Just wake the hell up. Let's go.
Yo.
Come on. I'm done playing.
Ain't nobody playing. Don't yoke on this like that no more. Are you gonna let that tether go and I'm gonna get up? But just know that won't fly no more. What are we gonna do?
Well, I say we go get firewood. You want to lay there and cuddle in the sand.
Every minute it's fire, 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 fire.
I tell you what, you don't complain about that fire when you're laying next to it snoring.
Fire, fire, fire.
I'm the kind of person who doesn't get angry much of the time. But I tell you, when you start pulling on this tether, that takes it to a whole other level. If we gotta throw hands, we will throw hands.
Wasn't so hard to get up and collect a little firewood now, was it?
What are you gonna say? A little more, a little more.
I doubt it.
Never have enough firewood.
You never have enough firewood.
That's right. I ain't heard you complain once, unless it was getting cold. Look, man, I'm not intentionally being an ass about the fire. This is just the #1 thing that I find the most importance in.
I got no problem helping you. We're tethered. But you gotta come at me correct, man, because that ain't gonna work.
I promise you I won't do that again. My bad, man.
That's cool.
Good?
No, we're good.
All right, cool.
Nick and Jameson have battled the Smoky Mountains tethered for 4 straight days without any food. With 23 miles remaining to reach extraction, the guys put their differences aside and work together to find food.
So we're trying to makeshift a hook. We remembered that our canteen has these little links on it. Hold the lid on. I just broke one of the links. I mean, it would at least get stuck in their throat. We've been using the insides of my shoelaces for fishing line, and we just got a makeshift fishing pole. We're gonna hopefully find some bait, and we're gonna catch dinner.
Dude, salamander, salamander.
Fish bait, baby.
Fish bait. You done killing it?
Yeah, he's dead.
I've been hunting and trapping since I was 8, so we're going on 21 years now.
Nick has talked a big game about killing this deer and killing that gator, and we hadn't even caught a freaking mouse.
I don't see him swimming around right now. What about you?
I haven't seen them yet.
Let's get out of here. I just thought I seen a real big fish, but it wasn't. It was just a rock. I'm just so damn hungry.
Everything you see is food.
That's right.
How much time do you think we should give this one?
Who knows? They could just be in a different area right now.
We tried many ways to fish. Didn't happen. we figured we'd just kind of walk around, see what's available.
Right over there. There goes one right there. Listen, I found one small crawfish and I just grabbed him. Take those guys off, and pinchers.
We shared a
half a
crawfish.
2-inch crawfish. Yeah.
You know, but in these circumstances, even just the tiniest morsel is a big boost.
Kind of smells like crab
Oh, yeah?
and a side of snot.
Lord Jesus, help me.
Help me! Help me!
You know, not bad.